15 English mistakes that Japanese people often make. Perfect for beginners and kids. That English actually doesn't work. I do bye-bye. That sounds odd. What should I say? I say goodbye. I say goodbye. I see TV. That is not correct. What should I say? I watch TV. I watch TV. I take a picture. That is not right. How do you say it? Take a photo. Take a photo. I play with friend. That sounds odd. What should I say? Play with friends. Play with friends. I studied yesterday. That is not correct. How do you say it? I studied yesterday. I studied yesterday. I go now. That is not right. What should I say? I am going now. I am going now. I stay home. That sounds odd. How do you say it? I am at home. I am at home. I listen music. That is not correct. What should I say? Listen to music. Listen to music. I go park. That is not right. How do you say it? Go to the park. Go to the park. I arrived school. That is not correct. What should I say? Arrived at school. Arrived at school. I ride bus. That is not right. How do you say it? Ride a bus. Ride a bus. I can speak English. That is not right. What should I say? I can speak a little English. I can speak a little English. I go shopping. That is correct. Any other way? I will go shopping. I will go shopping. I eat dinner. That is not correct. How do you say it? I ate dinner. I ate dinner. I am very tired. That is correct. Any other way? I am so tired. I am so tired. Thank you for watching. We will upload new stories every day. Let's enjoy learning English together.